How to trim video in Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating, open up Instagram on a device. So by default, Instagram doesn't have a feature to let you trim video in Instagram story. So you need to tap on the plus icon. Now select post or reel. Now select the video. Now simply tap on edit video. Now tap on edit. Now drag the slider to trim the video. Now once you're done, simply tap on next at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now select your story. Now tap on add once. Now click on share. Now simply go back. Now wait for a few minutes. Now once the reel is uploaded, go to your profile. Tap on reels. Now open up the reels. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on delete. Now click on delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.